Hello friends, today we are at JATAYU Art Center. It is the world's largest bird sculpture. The park is at 38 kilometers from Kollam and the entry ticket is 450 rupees including cable car. In Ramayana, when Ravana abducted Sita, the bird Jatayu tried to rescue her, but Ravana clipped his wings and Jatayu fell onto the rocks. The sculpture is 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, 70 feet height and occupies total 15,000 square feet area and the budget was 100 crore rupees. It is at 1200 feet above the sea level. It is the must visit place in Kollam, Kerala state. The park opens at 10 am. We suggest you to reach early and be the first person to visit. After Jatayu, we visited Tangasseri lighthouse, which is second highest lighthouse in India. It is constructed in 1902. Its height is 135 feet and has 200 steps to climb to have a panoramic view of Arabian Sea at the top.